असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, hello children. How are you? I hope you are doing well in studies. Welcome to MRMS Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss about Grade 4 Science Chapter 2 Session 1 The Organ System. Just look at the bicycle. Yes, these are the parts of bicycle: seat post, crossbar, brake lever, handlebars, spokes, hub, pedal, chain, gears, tire, brake, saddle. These all are parts of the bicycle. Yes, bicycle is very similar to our body. We also have many organs in our body. Without organs, our body does not function properly. Let's start the concept of organ and organ system. The human body is the most wonderful machine in the world. Human body is made up of many parts. Each part is called an organ, which has a special function. Sensory organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin together help us to sense or know about things around us, called sense organs. Organ system: digestive and respiratory organ system. These are the examples of organ system. A group of organs that work together to carry out an important function is called organ system. Let's discuss the skeletal system. Skeleton. Skeleton is a framework of 206 bones in our body. It gives shape and support to our body. It also protects the soft organs present inside of our body. The bones in the skeleton are joined together in such a way that we are able to move different parts of our body. Let's start the concept of muscular system. The human body has about 650 muscles. Muscles are present all over the body. Muscles attached to the bones. The muscles contract and expand to allow different parts of the body to move. There are two types of muscles in our body: voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Let's discuss about voluntary muscles. The voluntary muscles involved in movements that are under the control of our will are called voluntary muscles. For example, when we play, ride a bicycle, when we lift things, want to sit or stand, or raise our hand in class. These all are examples of our voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means the muscles that cause involuntary movements that happen automatically in the body are called involuntary muscles. For example, blinking of our eyes or expansion of our chest when we inhale. These are the examples of involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are the special involuntary muscles present in heart which are responsible for the beating of the heart. They work continuously without any rest as long as a person lives. In next session we will discuss digestive system and respiratory system. Thank you.